Namaste children. Today we are going to see Shabdaha. For our unit test, you have Akarantaha and Akarantaha. Now we shall see these in detail. Before going to that, we need to know some technical terms which are related to this Shabdaha. We shall now see each one of them in detail. The first one is Lingam. Lingam means gender. There are totally three genders. That is, the first one is Pullingam, masculine, Strilingam, feminine, and Napumsakalingam, neuter gender. Now, the next one, that is Vachanam. Vachanam means we all know that number. So, Ekavachanam is singular, Dvivachanam is dual, and Bahuvachanam is plural. Now, we shall go on to the even more important one, which is governing the Shabdas. That is Vibhaktihi. Vibhaktihi means case endings. For each case endings, we have a preposition which has been attached to it. Only with the help of these case endings, a sentence can be formed in Sanskrit. So we shall see how many Vibhaktis are there. Prathama Vibhakti, nominative, Dvitiya Vibhakti, accusative, Tritiya Vibhakti, instrumental, Chaturthi Vibhakti, dative, Panchami Vibhakti, ablative, Shashti Vibhakti, genitive, Saptami Vibhakti, locative, Sambodhana Prathama, occative. Now we shall see the prepositions which are connected to these Vibhakti. The Prathama Vibhakti doesn't have any preposition. So the Ditiya Vibhakti has two. Tritiya has by, with, through. Chaturthi Vibhakti has two of for. Panchami has from. Shashti has of. Saptami has in, on, at, among. And Sambodhana Prathama is used to call a person. Now we shall see the Shabdas and their classifications. In Ajanta Pullinga Shabdaha, Esya Shabdasya Ante Akaraha. When a Shabda ends in the word or in the letter A, that is known as Akarantaha. Esya Shabdasya Ante Ikaraha. When a word ends in E, then it is known as Ikaranta. Yasya Shabdasya Ante Ukaraha. When a word ends in U, then it is known as Ukarantaha. And lastly, Yasya Shabdasya Ante Rikaraha. When a Shabda ends in R, it is called as Rikarantaha. So these are the famous four antas which are there in Pullinga Shabdaha: Akarantaha, Ikarantaha, Ukarantaha, and Rikarantaha. Now for our exam we have Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. We shall now see that in detail. The very first one is Rama Shabdam. So since in Rama we have Ir plus A plus Im plus A. Since Rama the word ends in A, this Shabda is classified under Akarantaha, and since it is a masculine word, it is classified as Pullingam. So now we will derive this. So the very first Vibhakti of Rama Shabdam is Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramau, Raman, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha, Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu. He Rama, He Ramau, He Ramaha. I repeat the Shabda. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramau, Raman, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha, Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu. He Rama, He Ramau, He Ramaha. Now, in the same manner, we shall classify the another Shabda known as Balaka. Even it is Akarantaha Pullingaha, so this Shabda goes like this. Balakaha, Balakau, Balakaha, Balakam, Balakau, Balakan, बालकेन बालकाभ्यां बालकैः बालकाय बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकात् बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकस्य बालकयोः बालकानां बालके बालकयोः बालकेषु हे बालक हे बालकौ हे बालकाः. Now we are going on to the next type, that is आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः. Here esya shabdasya ante akaraha. When a word ends in a, it is known as akarantah. Esya shabdasya ante ikaraha. When a word ends in e, it is known as ikarantah. Esya shabdasya ante ukaraha. When a word ends in u, it is known as ukarantah. Yasya shabdasya ante rkaraha. When a word ends in r, it is rkarantah. So these are the four major famous types in Ajanta Strilinga Shabdaha, that is Akarantaha, Ikarantaha, Ukarantaha and Rikarantaha. Now we shall derive one Shabda as per the rule. We all know that Rama Shabdam is a feminine gender, so it is classified under Strilingam, and it is Ir plus A plus Im plus A. Therefore, Rama Shabdam is classified as Akarantaha. So now we shall see. Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha, Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramabhihi, Ramayai Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha, Ramayaha Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha, Ramayaha Ramayoho Ramanam, Ramayam Ramayoho Ramasu. He Rame, He Rame, He Ramaha. I repeat. Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha, Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramabhihi, Ramayai Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha, Ramayaha Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha, Ramayaha Ramayoho Ramanam, Ramayam Ramayoho Ramasu, He Rame, He Rame, He Ramaha. Similarly, now we shall see Lata Shabdam. Lata is ill plus a plus it plus a, so even it is akaranta. So the shabda goes like this: Lata late lataha, latam late lataha, lataya latabhyam latabhihi, latayai latabhyam latabhyaha, latayaha latabhyam latabhyaha, latayaha latayoho latanam, latayam latayoho latasu. He late, he late, he lataha. Now we shall see an example of each vibhakti. Ramaha asman rakshati. Aham Ramam namami. I salute God. Rakshasaha Ramena taditaha. The demons were bet by Rama. Ramaya namaha. Salutations to Rama. Aham Ramat varan prapnomi. I get the boons from Rama. Ramasya kirtihi advitiya. Rama's fame is incomparable. Sarvam Jagat Rame Eva Asti. The entire world is in Rama only. Hey Rama Rakshamam. Hey Lord Rama, protect me. So these are some examples for the sentences with each vibhakti. With this, we have come to the end of this session. We shall see in the next session with some other topic. Thank you.